Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a reset, clean and pack with me video. When you're watching this, we are actually away on a family vacation, but I really wanted to get a few videos up for when we were away. And before we went, I don't know what it is about going on holiday, but it sort of motivates me to declutter, to clean, to change the sheets, to get everything done before we go away. So that's exactly what I'm doing today. I'm also going to share with you a few packing hacks and a few products that I don't know if you will have ever seen before. So I really hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much as always for watching, and I hope you've had the best Christmas and are enjoying some time with family. But with all that said, let's get straight into it. So on the day that I was filming, I thought I would clear out this breakfast station. I think because it's behind closed doors, it can tend to get quite messy. So I thought I would give it a really good clean and organize a few bits. And then I decided to also clean the toaster. We recently got a new toaster. Our last one we had for a decade and then it finally just died. I love these DeLonghi ones, and I have a little hack for you. I've got these gliders on the bottom, which are basically just these little stickers, but I've tried wheels on the bottom of toasters or blenders and they never really work out, whereas these gliders are literally just like a smooth sticker almost. And it just means when you want to pull the toaster towards you or move it around, it glides really easily. So anyway, I cleaned out the toaster, and now I'm also going to just tidy up a few things that are left over from Matt's birthday. It was his birthday on the 20th of December, and so there were still a few little decorations up, balloons around, stuff like that. So I'm just going to move all of that off of the kitchen surface, give it a really good wipe down, and then also do the rest of the kitchen as well. I'm also going to tidy up the dining table because the kids have been off school. They have been getting super creative with their pens, their crafty bits. They've been coloring, playing cards, that kind of thing. And this really is the hub of the household. So I'm just going to quickly tidy a few of these bits away and give it all a really good wipe down. And Jackson actually had a friend sleepover last night and it was so cute. They had this huge plan on waking up in the middle of the night and eating sweets at 3 a.m. So I saw this note on the table which said what the plan was. It says set a timer, which they have ticked, go to bed, wake up at 3 a.m. and then eat sweets. I actually saw that on the night that the friend was sleeping over, and I checked his iPad and he had indeed set an alarm for 3 a.m. So I made sure to turn that off, and then in the morning he wasn't that impressed. He was like, what happened to my alarm? And I said, we all heard it, so I just turned it off, but they didn't hear it. So yeah, but it was so adorable. So I'm actually going to keep that little piece of paper because I just thought it was so cute. I'm also going to tidy up our boot room area. This gets really messy in the wintertime because all of us have a couple of coats, scarves, gloves, hats, all of it. So I'm going to put a couple of mine upstairs in my wardrobe, and then we do also have another under the stairs cupboard where I can put some of the bulkier coats as well. But yeah, where we are at the moment, we actually don't need coats. We've gone to Cancun in Mexico. We left on Boxing Day, which I think is the perfect way to do it because we still got Christmas at home. We had all of our presents, we hosted, we saw all of our family, and then on Boxing Day, we woke up at 4 a.m. and we went. Obviously, it meant that I needed to be organized with packing and all of that stuff, and it was a surprise to the boys, so it wasn't that easy to kind of pack in secret, but somehow we pulled it off, guys. And yeah, and now we're there and we just love going away. At this time, it's so nice to get winter sun, but it also is a time when our work isn't very busy. So it's ideal because sometimes when you go away, you think, you're constantly looking at emails and worrying about work, but I feel like it's the one time of year we can actually go away and just chill. So yeah, anyway, I'm just clearing out the hats and gloves and scarves in this cupboard. And I wanted to show you this hat storage that I bought on Amazon. It's so silly, but it actually works really well. It looks like a toast rack or something like that, but you just put the beanies on like this, and then that can go in the drawer. So in the morning when the kids are looking for their hats, their snoods, their gloves, all of it, they can just see all of them right there, and you can just pull one right off of the little hat rack. I'm also going to clear out this bag storage because it gets really full of random stuff, and it's been about a school term, so I thought I would just have a little look at it, pull everything out, give it all a wipe down, and just reorganize it a little bit. We've currently got some rugs in here because we've got Christmas rugs down, so I'm waiting to replace them with these ones. I've pulled out all of their sports bags as well because they're really branded with their school, so there's normally even more bags than this. And then as you can see, there's a drawer underneath, which is where all of their school folders go. So I'm putting back in football boots, trainers. I've got some empty rucksacks to actually take up with me, and a carry-on, which I've taken out because I'm going to fill that up as well. And that is pretty much it. So now I am moving on to this cupboard of doom under the stairs. I keep all of my packaging for Vinted. I've mentioned it before, but I've got really into like reselling stuff. You know, that was the kids, reselling my stuff, just reselling everything in the house. I have been loving Vinted so much. And one thing that I also really like is that you can send everything in all of your recycled boxes and stuff, and you know, then you don't have to pay for packaging, and it's just such a great way to like reuse it. So because of that, whenever I get a package, I just chuck the box under the stairs, and it just builds up and builds up over time. So I thought I would actually take everything out, reorganize it, chuck the stuff that, let's face it, I'm probably never gonna actually use, and then I'm just gonna put everything back. So I'm keeping all the nice boxes ready for my little Vinted business, which I spend way too much time on and it earns me no money, but I just really like it. And look how organized that is now. I've got all of the bags, all of the envelopes, all of the boxes ready to go. So now I'm going to go upstairs and finish packing. So as I mentioned, I've been doing this in secret, but Matt's mum took the kids to Panto while I was doing this, so I had a chance. I actually, like in the evenings, had been putting things aside. So I've got my little packing cubes ready. I just need to add it to the suitcase and then add a few other bits as well. I love using packing cubes. I just find it so easy to organize everything, but also once you get there, it's really easy to unpack. You do kind of, if you get there late, you can just grab a packing cube, chuck it in a drawer, and that's kind of like done. So I tend to roll my clothes like this, put it into a packing cube, and in this one I've got about 8 different outfits, so it's amazing how much you can squeeze in. I also chose what shoes I'm taking. I love like nude shoes and also metallic shoes, so I've got a silver pair, a gold pair, some sandals. I've also got some black sandals. I'm wearing trainers, and then I'm bringing a couple of heels, but I really had to choose what shoes I wanted to bring. There were so many outfits that I wanted to bring. I wanted to bring these wedges, but I just couldn't justify them. They're really heavy, and I'm probably only going to wear them a couple of times. So I decided to just take one pair of gold heels, and then I've just shoved everything in, and now I just thought I would actually weigh it. So we've got these great luggage scales, which I've probably showed you guys before, but I've only got a 20 kg allowance. So I was just checking how much I had, and I don't know if it was quick enough, but I've got about 16 at the moment, so we're doing good because I still need to add my toiletries in, but that should just about work out. And now I'm just putting our loft ladder up to put back some summer clothes that I'm actually not taking. I decided against, so I'm just going to quickly put it up in our loft. We've got a little loft above our bedroom, which is so handy for seasonal clothes. And then I'm just going to close that and put the little ladder away, and that is all done. And now I wanted to show you my jewelry storage. This was another Amazon find, and it's really great. It's basically a little folder that has clear zip up pockets on it, so you can zip up your jewelry and it won't get tangled up basically. So in this pocket, say I'm putting some really delicate earrings in there. I'm going to keep them separate from everything. Then I'm going to put a couple of beaded necklaces in, some other necklaces. It's the kind of vacation that we're going on where we do tend to get dressed up at night. So I was choosing quite a few, different bits to take with us. But yeah, that means all of my jewelry is all nice and organized. And it also has like a hard cover on it, so I can just pack all of that like that. And I also wanted to show you how I'm taking my fragrances. Fraser actually discovered these and they're so brilliant. They're little atomizers. So you basically take the top off of your favorite fragrance, like say this is my absolute favorite one, and then there's a little hole on the bottom. So all you have to do is push it down on that and you will get loads of sprays. So I'm choosing a few different fragrances to take with me, and that will last me the whole trip, and it's just a lot smaller, more compact, and it's not glass as well. So yes, that is everything that I wanted to show you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you're up to for New Year's, and I will see you guys in my next one.